Create a professional resume in Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and professional resume using Canva. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Go to canva.com and log in or create a free account. In the search bar, type resume and choose from a variety of ready-made templates. Pick a template that matches your style and the type of job you're applying for, whether it's corporate, creative, or modern. Click to open the template and start editing. Replace the placeholder text with your name, contact info, work experience, education, and skills. Customize the fonts, colors, and layout to reflect your personal brand, but keep it clean and easy to read. You can also add sections like certifications, languages, or portfolio links depending on your industry. Make sure to use consistent formatting and bullet points to keep everything organized and professional. Once you're happy with the design, click Share and download it as a PDF. You're now ready to apply with a polished, standout resume. And that's how you create a professional resume in Canva in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.